Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to get used range of an Excel worksheet. Drag and drop Excel get used range action from activities. Drag and drop message box action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set column index and row index property of Excel get used range action. Set sheet name and workbook name property of Excel get used range action. Set text property of message box action to point to row count property from the Excel get used range. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the task is executed successfully.